What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working Uber Eats only, and it's just gonna be the breakfast hours. I'm just gonna start from 8:30 to 11:30. See how it goes. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end, because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. So if I made $20 an hour, I'll do the breakdown of that. $10 an hour, I'll do a breakdown of that. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna be honest how much I made per hour, because I want to show people this job is unpredictable. It's not like a 9 to 5 job. Say you're gonna get paid $18 an hour for 8 hours. No, it's not like that, right? So all that said, let's hope the breakfast hours bring us some good money. I did a previous video about the breakfast hours with Uber Eats in the summer. I'll leave a link down below so you guys could check that out. I think I did pretty good on that morning, around $18 to $20 an hour. So never know, right? Every day is gonna be different. Yeah, I was gonna start at 8 o'clock, but then the fog in the morning was pretty bad, and I was just waiting for it to clear up, and it's getting a bit lighter now. You can see it's foggy. And it's not much of a sunshine either. This is what you got when you live in Winnipeg. This weather. Okay, the time is 8:29. Finding trips. So when you're going out and work for the breakfast hours, always check the Uber Eats app, like the customer app. So I'm just gonna log in there and see what restaurant is open. So right now McDonald's open, Tim Hortons, Starbucks, IHOP, Burger King, 7-Eleven, I think Denny's, A&W, Shell, Daily Grind Coffee, Cora. Okay, there's a few of them. All depends how much people order breakfast too, right? If it's not busy in this area for the next 10 minutes, I'll just drive to a different location and see. The time is 8:45. Nothing yet. No orders. Oh, speaking of the devil, $9.17, 8.5 kilometers. Denny's, I'll accept it. I mean, this time of the day,
to your pickup at Denny's
blah blah blah. This time of the day, you can't cherry pick. You just have to accept whatever they give you, because the supplies are really low. Makes sense, right? Yeah, pick up that food. The staff was really friendly in there. I guess she's happy to see a Uber driver, because she said a few days ago she had an order but no Uber Eats driver shows up. So this customer is 13 minutes away, 6.3 kilometers. $9.17, $6.26, 6.1 kilometers. Starbucks. Damn, that was a big order. I'll show you guys on the screen here. I took a few screenshots. That's lots of stuff. Someone is having a good breakfast today. So customer is 3 minutes away, 1.5 kilometers. Arrive at the customer. Expensive area, expensive houses. $6.26. Hey guys, the time is 10:15, so it's been 1 hour and 45 minutes. I'm at $21.22. One tip came in. I only had 2 trips, and one more tip have to come in. That's the big order with Starbucks. I hope the tip big because right now I'm not doing that great. $21 in almost 2 hours. Nope, 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 nope. That's good. Like I mentioned before in my previous video, I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscriber. Come on guys, like, share, and subscribe. I mean, you want a pizza bag, DoorDash pizza bag, or you want $25 cash money? Easy money. So, like, share, and subscribe to the channel so we could grow. So this one is $5.37, 3.3 kilometers. Accept it. This is my third delivery and it's been 2 hours. So I waited like actually 45 minutes before I get my third one. So I pick up that order. Whilst I was waiting for the first one, Uber sent me a second order for $4 and change. So that's why I had to make 2 trips. The staff was really fast to prepare the second one because it just came in. So thumbs up guys. So let's see how far the first customer is. 5 minutes away, 2.2 kilometers. To make up for some lost time. Well, it's breakfast, right? So what do you expect? It's not gonna be crazy busy, right? So second customer is 7 minutes away, 4.2 kilometers. Customer is by the door waiting. Oh no, trouble. Hey guys, it's 11:07. So I'm just gonna end my shift now. I've been driving for 2 hours and 30 minutes. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to help grow the channel. So stick around for the tips. There was one big tip came in from the customer that ordered Starbucks. You guys want to stick around to see that one. It wasn't that bad, turned out to be okay, but I probably didn't drive for 1 hour. So imagine I only worked for an hour and 30 minutes. Most of my time was just sitting waiting. Okay, see you in a bit. What's up guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. I'll start with the top 3. This order is $14.96. Customer tip $5.79. Thank you very much. This one is $20.56. Customer tip $14.30. Awesome. That's a pretty good tip for breakfast hours. I'll take that. That's a nice one. And the last and final one. This was the double order of Tim Hortons. $14.76. Customer tip $5.18. I think this is between both of them, or doesn't show which customer really tipped. So the total is $50.28 minus $4 for gas, equal $46.28 divided by 2 hours and 30 minutes. Gave us $18.51 per hour. Awesome. That's pretty good for breakfast, right? Breakfast is always a slow time. I don't like to work that early in the morning because I'm not an early person. But for $18, and it's not even lunch or evening shift, so that's pretty good. I'll take that to the bank for sure. Yeah, if you're thinking about working in the morning or breakfast hours, I think you should work like during the week and go to areas that where have lots of office, like people from working downtown, you're probably gonna have good order for breakfast hours there. But then remember, you have to go up high rises. You gotta be careful about parking if you don't get a parking ticket. So that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.